Hey everybody, it's Kevin with Classroom Composers, and in today's video, we're getting into a method that's changing the way that we do beginning band, and that is the quarter note companion. And in today's video, I'm going to show you why this comprehensive, all-in-one method might just be the thing that you need to bring your students' abilities to the next level. Links are going to be down in the description, and let's get into it. The quarter note companion, or Q&C for short, is a beginning band method that includes a method book, rhythm drills, theory supplements, sight reading exercises, chorales, and more, all designed to reinforce skills across all levels of Bloom's taxonomy. But what does that mean for your students? Traditionally, ensemble music education focuses mostly on the lower order thinking skills, things like remembering basic rhythms, music terms, and instrumental fingerings and applying them in a performance. And while that's important, we don't often push students to evaluate, analyze, or create tasks that challenge their higher level thinking. And that's where the Quarter Note Companion Method series comes in. Because in addition to teaching students things like their fingerings and their rhythms, we also ask that they do higher level thinking, such as analyzing and creating music as well. The Q&C Method series works by breaking down complex musical concepts into manageable chunks. Each of the books and exercises, whether it's rhythm drills, theory lessons, or sight reading, progresses slowly and reinforces skills with increasing difficulty. The books also follow the same pacing, meaning that the concepts learned on Sheet 7 are reinforced across all Sheet 7s and all books. Here's what you will get with the Q&C method. The method book, which contains 46 pedagogically progressive and diverse songs and etudes that represent 22 countries. This helps students expand their cultural understanding through music while improving on their instrument. The book also includes pages for instrument assembly, instrument maintenance, tone production, posture, breathing, performance music, and more. Lastly, by using the included supplemental pages, you can customize this method to teach the first 5 notes in any order you wish. The next book is the Instrument-Specific Theory book, which contains 35 pages of instrument-specific lessons to reinforce applicable concepts learned in ensemble classes. The next book is 104 rhythm drills that challenge students with unpredictable patterns, perfect for building early confidence. The next book are 49 chorales that specifically target balance, blend, part importance, intonation, and phrasing, and are arranged with the beginner in mind. And the last book are 84 sight reading exercises, which are exercises that are specifically designed to be unmemorizable, forcing students to read and react in real time. Each exercise in the method is laid out in a super easy to read format, helping students stay engaged and motivated. So, what makes the Q&C method stand out from other methods? For starters, it's a current method book that gets updated almost every single year. Most of the major method books out there were originally published over 30 years ago in the 1990s. And let's face it, students and music education have drastically changed since then. A second thing that makes our method stand out from other methods is that our method is diverse. It represents 22 different countries, and we have also carefully curated this book to remove any minstrel songs and other songs with inappropriate and offensive origins. And finally, our method is completely digital. Buy our method book once, print as many as you need for your students, and store the extras on your computer. All right, so are you ready to get started? Are you ready to get your students above just playing right notes and right rhythms and actually understanding the basics of how music works? You can check us out on our Teachers Pay Teachers store and on JW Pepper, links down in the description. And as always, if you got anything of value from this video, please like and subscribe. And until next time, keep teaching and keep inspiring.